how to turn on or off fingerprint lock on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off or on fingerprint lock on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and then click on your profile and then click settings, and here you will find messaging, and then click passcode lock, and here we'll find that fingerprint lock. You can enable it, and as you see fingerprint lock is enabled, and you can disable it again, it's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.